Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I am going to review one of my camping gear which I bought a year ago from Amazon. This is a camping stove. For which we use this butane gas fuel. Very simple to use. It has this foldable stand. These are 4 legs. Let's connect it to the butane canister. It's very simple to operate. This hatch you have to match with this hatch. And here we go, ready to use. Let's make some coffee. If you are thinking to go on a camping in monsoon, so it will be like tricky to get some firewood for cooking purpose. So it's better to have this too. This burner comes around 700 or something, and this butane canister, actually this butane canister is around 135 or 50 rupees maybe, but it includes delivery charges because the shipment cannot be come within the flights. So it comes by road. So here is the knob. And you can see it. Okay, so we'll ignite the stove now. Downward, and this hatch. I'm not sure if you are able to see the flame or not. Let me adjust the camera. Weight of the stove is around 400 and maybe 410 grams. Butane canister, it's around 200 grams. So your setup would be around 600 to 700 grams in your backpack. So आपण कॅम्पिंगला जाताना किंवा ट्रेकला जाताना आपण वेट तर कन्सिडर करतोच. तर तुम्हाला एक आयडिया यावी, सो म्हणून मी तुम्हाला सांगतोय की याचं वेट मॅक्सिमम किती असू शकतं. वन मोर थिंग, इफ यू आर ट्रॅव्हलिंग इन अ फ्लाईट, सो यू कॅनॉट कॅरी ब्युटेन कॅनिस्टर विथ यू. फ्लाईटमध्ये ब्युटेन कॅनिस्टर अलाउड नाही आहे जर तुम्ही ट्रॅव्हल करत असाल कुठे. One butane canister we can use up to 4 to 5 campings, morning breakfast, morning tea, and evening dinner for one person. But if weather is too cold or windy, then it will consume more fuel. So very compact, easy to use, easy to carry, lightweight. You can also use this inside your tent, but you have to take much precaution. If you mishandle it, your tent can catch fire, so that can be a problem. कॉफी इज रेडी. मित्रांनो, काय होतं की जेव्हा तुम्ही कॅम्पिंगला जाता नाईट स्टेसाठी, एकतर तिथे लोकल्स असतात जे तुम्हाला
जेवण वगैरे प्रोव्हाइड करतात. सो त्यांचं कुकिंगचं साहित्य असतं, जसं हरिश्चंद्रगड झालं किंवा मध्ये राजगडला पण मिळायचं. बऱ्याचशा गडांवरती मिळतं जिथे मोठं बेस विलेज आहे, ज्या किल्ल्याचं बेस विलेज चांगल्या पॉप्युलेशनचं आहे. पण जर तुम्ही अशा ठिकाणी गेले, जसं की अशा ठिकाणी फायरवूड कलेक्ट करणं, त्याच्यानंतर मग ते चूल पेटवणं थोडं हेक्टिक होतं. हां, पण त्याच्यामध्ये मजा पण असते. पण एक गोष्ट आणखी, इट्स लाईक अ हझार्डस टू एन्व्हायरमेंट, बिकॉज तुम्ही मग झाड तोडता अँड देन यू स्टार्ट प्रिपेरिंग युअर फूड. तर त्यापेक्षा इट्स अ कन्व्हिनियंट वे टू cook your dinner using this butane stove. And wherever in between your trail, if you sit somewhere and if you want to have a tea, very easy setup. It's a very easy setup. Quickly in a 2 minute you can assemble your stove and you can start preparing your tea or coffee, Maggi. I tried a lot to make this review video on the treks, but usually on Kalsubai, Harichandragarh, it's a bit crowdy. So whenever you start shooting video, so it's tricky to shoot the video. So that's why I came to this place. Actually, this is my society and we have a very beautiful premises. I will show you in a minute.
That's it for this video. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, you can comment below. I will definitely answer your question. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for next upcoming video notifications. Thanks a lot.